The CAELUS project is an initiative part-funded by Innovate UK. We are a 16-partner consortium and our objective is to demonstrate a drones logistic network within Scotland for NHS.
We've got 16 partners from a range of different industry sectors, all bringing their own specialist expertise to the table to address the different elements that are required to be in place to allow us to deliver items between health board areas.
We're really excited to be here today at Borders General Hospital, and we are thrilled to have had the first of our flights in the CAELUS project within this first of our flying networks. This network is actually the first time that the NHS in Scotland have flown between two different health boards, between Lothian and Borders, and the project are just so proud that we've managed to achieve this.
This is a really important milestone in the CAELUS project. It's a really exciting time for us because we're able to demonstrate drone flights carrying medical cargo for the NHS for the service that we're hoping to develop for them, and being integrated into the airspace in a safe, efficient and equitable manner.
For this use case, specifically we're focusing on lab samples, but it's also customisable for transport of pharmaceuticals, blood products, equipment. As part of that, I think one of the most critical things for us was ensuring that we got the temperature control right. The packaging provides full temperature control for up to 5 hours or 5+ hours between 2 to 8 and 15 to 25 degrees C, which covers the vast majority of NHS payloads. For us at the moment, this specific use case, the transit time between Lothian and Borders is 5+ hours with several stops. So for patients who have very critical conditions or things that might be suspected, these lab samples arriving in half an hour can make a real difference to people's lives.
So this is one of a number of flight trials happening as part of the CAELUS project, and in the future flight trials that happen later in the year, NATS is really excited that we'll be able to demonstrate and showcase some of our technical solutions for managing the air traffic in a scalable way, and hence getting us that bit closer to realising the vision for the project to integrate drones and other airspace users safely, efficiently and equitably.
I think opening up new ways of doing healthcare, particularly for the kind of remote and rural aspects, parts of Scotland. I hope it'll help deliver a lot more care at home and just allow the NHS to adapt to new ways of working.
If we wanted to distill it down, it's improving healthcare quality. So it's giving people who are living in remote places, in the Highlands and the Islands, in places where they're not maybe close to the healthcare they need, it's giving them that access, making it easier for them.
I think drone technology within the health environment is a really positive thing and should be seen as that. It's opportunities that we haven't already got, and it's not going to take away from anything that we currently do, but it could certainly enhance patient care, which is fundamental to NHS.
CAELUS project is looking forward to moving on from the successful flights that we've undertaken here in the Borders to our next network in Ayrshire and Arran, and then after that onwards into NHS Grampian and Highlands. And there's some really exciting initiatives coming up to test different use cases and validate new airspace integration concepts.
I think for me, as an NHS Lothian employee, but also as my own health board, I can see great potential, particularly for our rural communities, but from an urban perspective as well, and being part of that to be able to see what improvements can be made and enhancements to our existing healthcare system, but also logistics within Scotland to be able to help some of those communities.